Hey, we're done. So far so good. Now we are done with the activation of the plugin. Okay, and now we are going to look at the basic settings. Is it amazing, right? You love it. I know you like it. Okay, so there's so many features that you can find in this plugin. Okay, so now let's go to the screen and continue on with the settings. In our last video, we installed and activated and also activated the plugin. Right now we are going to look at how to use the plugin. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so let's come back to our dashboard. First, let me click the dashboard again, so we will look at have a look at. So let's go to the basic settings. Let me go down here, and here we have settings. Okay, or you can just close, just to make this simple, you can just close them. Okay, good. And we have turn downs, exports. Okay, and so the settings, let's go to settings here. So we are going to look at the basic settings that we can do here. So first I will add a logo. So I'll come here and select the logo. Okay, so let me see. So I will just add the logo. Sorry. Okay, so this is the logo. It's added, and the name is the school name is Veda Academy. And let's say this is my address. Let me select this as this is my address, and let's say my email is admin@demo2. Okay, and the school motto. What's the school motto? Okay, I don't have anything in mind. Okay, so knowledge. Okay, I just want to enter something. Knowledge is the best, right? Okay, good. Okay, so and then the headmaster's name. Let's say that I am the headmaster of the school. Okay, good. So I'm the headmaster, and I have to upload my signature, but I've removed this functionality for now. Yes, later I will add it for the next update. Okay, I'll be bringing new updates all the time, so don't worry. Okay, so and then the academy year is 2025, and then I'll go for this one. That is the I'm talking about the grading. I want to go with this one, and the notification settings. If you want to send an SMS or email, I will send both. Okay, but be careful. Make sure you don't connect your okay, we are not there yet, so let me proceed. And then here, let's see, there is some missing database that we need to fix. Okay, but first let me save the settings that I've done. Okay, so I will click save, and good, it is saved now, so everything is okay. So I have to repair in case if you want to restart, to delete student and teachers, to delete report, factory reset, to delete everything. Okay, just you can do that. This is a new installation, so I don't have to delete anything, but there is a missing database. Okay, which I can just click here, fix database, and it will fix everything. And here too, there's a missing database too. Let me click that, and it will fix them. Okay, good. And okay, so you see, and everything is now okay, so we are good to go. Okay, so now we are done with the first basic settings. Now let's proceed. We will take the settings one after the other. Let's go to score configuration. What is score configuration? This is about how you want to grade a student. Okay, if you do remember in our introduction video, let me go to teacher's dashboard and let me show you what I'm talking. I just want to show you, maybe this is your first time. I just want to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'll enter my details here. Okay, and I will click login. Okay, so this is my dashboard, right? So as you can see, let's go to score, and let me show you what I'm talking about. So over here, when I select that, and let me select, okay, so wait, let me select the subject and exams. Okay, So now you can see that over here, as I said, if you have already watched the introduction video, I made mention that the 4 of them, we have the class exercise, class test, group work, and project work. I mean, when they form the that's the class score, okay, and then the exam score. Okay, good. So for now, this is settings. Now 15 for class exercise, 15 for project work and group work. So we want to do the same settings here. So that's the score configuration. So what marks do you I mean, in 100%, how the marks we want to look at the marks that we want to allocate for exams and the class score. Okay, for now we can decide to go with 50-50, so that, and you have to make sure that here too is 50 before the system will accept that. Then you come to the component. So this is the component, the default arrangement. Exercise is 10, and then class test is 20, group work is 15, and that was equal to that 70, which was already here, which was initially here. And now, since we have changed this to 50-50, we have to make sure that this one too, the class exercise or the class score is equal. This one will sum up to a 50. So I have to come here, and I can decide to make this one, let's say 25, let's say 15. Okay, so I can make exercise 15, and then class test 15. So the 2 of them will be equal to 30, right? So that here will be 10 and here will be 10. Then the system will accept that. Or I can decide to make it 12.5 for all. So you have to decide on the marks that you want to award for each. Okay, so I will make it 12.5 for all, and after that I can click save, and it's successful. Okay, so when I come here, now we have it. That's all about the score configuration. Okay, here, so this arrangement shows that the administrator awarded 60 to class score and 40 to exam. So you can see here is 40. So that's why the rest is 15. So making this one 60 for the class score and exam score 40. So let's come back here. Let's continue. So for us, we have made it 50-50. Okay, so grading system. Let's come back to the grading system here. This is a default grading system. If you want to change it, so this is how for 80 to 100, the grade is 1, and 70 to 79 2. And if you want to change it by default, in fact, I actually use the WASI one for this table, but if you want to go with your own one, then you can just do that. Okay, so we are done with that. So we are done with the grading system. Let's go to promotion. We can also look at the promotion here. So we have, you can just enable promotion, automatic promotion calculation, use aggregate score. So here we want to use aggregate score to promote student. Okay, so we here, so you can decide to set the maximum, that's the minimum aggregate score. Okay, so the default one is 30, which means that if the student is able to score aggregate 30, then the students qualify to be promoted, to get a promotion or automatic promotion. Okay, so that's all about the aggregate score here. So in Ghana here, because I'm Ghana, so that's why I'm using Ghana as an example. In Ghana here, this is how they do the aggregate score. We have core subject and then any best 2 of the elective subject. Okay, good. So the core subject here that they have been using here in Ghana is mathematics, science, social studies, and English. These are the 4 subjects that are the 4 core subjects. Okay, good. But I don't know about other country. So, and then after that, so the system will pick the first core subject. Okay, so the system will pick the first 4 subject. Then it will pick extra 2 best 2 subject. Okay, making 6 subject for the grading. Okay, good. So because of that, I will assume that if the student score 8, because the last grading, when you look at the table, the last score, or the last one is 9, a grade 9, and so I want to make the past one to be 8. So which means that if the student gets about 48, the student is qualified or to get automatic promotion. But that is you can decide on what to do. That's what I want to do here. Then we have attendance. Attendance can also form part of the promotion. You can decide to uncheck, just remove attendance, or you can include. And here we are talking about percentage. Okay, so the system will calculate the percentage based on the total attendance. Okay, good. So let's say in a term, if you have spent about 50 days, then the system will calculate the number of days that the student was absent. That's out of the 50. Okay, so that's all about the percentage. So we are looking at how are we. Okay, so here we are looking at 70%. So if the student is able to attend 70% of the total attendance, then he will get the automatic promotion. But if the student did not qualify one of them, he will not be promoted. Okay, so that's how it works here. So if you don't want to involve, or if you don't want to use the attendance, you can just uncheck that and it will be out of it. But I want to include that, and 75 is okay. So, and the promotion term in Ghana here is 30. Only 30 is a promotion term. Okay, so I will uncheck the rest and leave only 30. Let's go to the class here, because I've not added any class. That's why we can't see them here. But at all. Now let's leave it, because let me just click save and leave the rest, because we have not added class yet. Okay, good. Now let's go down here, and we have PWA. In the intro video, I made mention of progressive web app. So this system automatic, all visitors will be able to install their mobile app. Okay, yes, it has that functionality. Okay, so here you have to enter the school name. The default one is Ireda SBA. So make sure you enter the school name, that is Ireda Academy. So let me enter that, and then the school name, in short, I want to make it Ireda. Okay, good. So this will this how when you install the app on the phone, you see the short name. Okay, yes, and check this. Yeah, you can see it here. Yes, so that's the icon on the screen here. That is the I have installed the app on my iPhone. Okay, good. And if you want to change the color, you can do so, and the background color here, you can add your logo. So remember, bear in mind that this will be your that is your app icon. Okay, on the phone, this will be your app. So this will be your app icon. Okay, and I want to maintain the rest. Okay, go down here and click save, and you're good to go. So you're done. So let's go down here, and what next? We have notification. So we are done with this part, the sequence here. So I can just close that, and we are at notification. So let's go to notification. So notification here, I've already selected that, and you have to enter the school name here. Okay, then email, the school email address. The email address that will be that will send the email to parents and teachers. So make sure you check that. Okay, good. And here too, you can, let's see, you can also indicate the notification event, score update. So if there is a score update, so here you have to be very careful. If this one will be on, then make sure that you don't add your API keys and the rest, because it will waste in the course. When the teachers are adding the student scores, they will be saving it. As they are saving it, it will be sending messages, SMS messages and email message to parents concerning the new update on the student results. Okay, yes, so be careful about that. Yeah, it's, in fact, it's wasted mine. That is mine. SMS bundle for nothing. Okay, I didn't know that this checkbox is on, and by the time I realized, all my credit was, gone. In fact, but let's move on. So you have to be careful, and report generation too, it will send SMS or that. So make sure, be careful. You can decide not to check them, but if you check that, then be careful. Make sure that this one is not on, so that it will only send an email. Okay, good. So here you can select your provider. Okay, yes, and here you can enter your API key name and then the sender ID. Okay, so this is my sender ID here, so I can just enter that, and then you can enter your API key here. Simple as that. After that, then you can click save. But you know something, sometimes it won't. Okay, so you can just click save. It will not work. I just want to click save. Sometimes you may click save, it will not work, especially with this key value solution. But let me show you how to fix that. In case it's not working, just click here, fix the settings. It will open a new tab here. Then you enter your details here. Okay, you have to enter them, and here make sure you enter that. When you see that everything is okay, just come back here and click save, and it will save. Okay, don't worry, it will save for you. So we have done these settings, so I can just click save. It's not working because of that, so let's leave it. So I'm done with the rest. Now let's go down here, book SMS, book messaging. If you want to send, you can just give it a heading and you enter the content of the message. Maybe you want to send message to all parents concerning upcoming PA meeting. We used to call it PTA meeting, but now they call it a PA meeting. Okay, you can just send message. You can just set whether it is very urgent or normal or whatever. Okay, then to which people or teachers, you see the number of teachers who will be getting the email, or if it is all student, you see. If it is all parent, you see. And you can indicate the medium, where you are sending the message. Is it through email or SMS? Then you can just indicate that here. Then you send it. Okay, I'm not ready to do that. Academic calendar, here you have to set the academic calendar. When you look at, let me go to click on the dashboard. Let me open it in the front end, and you see that it's first term, right? So you need to select the appropriate academic calendar. Let's say it's third term. When I save this right now, it will show here third term. Okay, let's see, and now it's showing third term. So let's proceed, and over here, academic start date. Let's say this year it started from January. Okay, I just want to do it in that way. Okay, so that's January, and we can set the date, and let's say on the 7th. Okay, 7th, that's the academic start date, and the end date, it will end somewhere. You can just set the academic date, that is December, and we are looking at somewhere 20, no, here, let's say 20th. Okay, December. And reopen date, we can also set reopen date for the next year. Okay, so let's say the reopen day will be next year 2026, and it's January. Okay, maybe first, no, it will be on the 6th January. Okay, for next year. Okay, good. So that's it. And I'm not saying this is the academic calendar for Ghana here. I just want to use something. Okay, so you can set the first term start date. I don't even know. So the first term start date is 7th January. Okay, so I can just go here, January 7th. Okay, and then the end date of the first term. So first term start date and the end date. Let's say January, February, March. We overkit on April, and the April, it will be that Thursday, which is April 3rd, and reopen on the 6th. Okay, end date. Okay, yeah, that is end date. That's the end date for the first term, and then the start date for the second term. So if this one is April 2nd, and then let's go here, April, let's say May, beginning of the May. So let's make it May 6th. Okay, good. And that's the start date and the end date. So let me go back here. It's May, June, July, August. Okay, so let's say ending of August, and then August we will look at somewhere Thursday, 28 August, and then the third term 28 August, right? So the third term will start September. Okay, so let me click here. We ended that one at August. So let's say this one is September, and let's say beginning of the September Tuesday, and it will end on December. Let's say it's December, and December, what was the date? The start end date of the year. Sorry, okay, no, it's here. So it's 20th December. Okay, so we'll come back here. So it's December, and that is 20th. Oh, 20th December is Saturday. So let's make it 19th December. So let me come back here, and the end year, academic end year, will be 19th. Okay, December. Okay, holiday. Just add all the holidays that you have. Public. So if it's public, and just select the date, add all the holidays that you'll be getting in that year here, including the date, the start date, and the end date. Okay, good. I will click save, and successful. Okay, so we are done with our calendar event. We don't have an event right now. We're gonna be into do anything right now. The answers, we are done. We're done with that. So we have done with the basic settings. So far so good. We will end here. In our last video, we will look at how to add student teachers, and we will continue from there, how to import students and the rest. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.